It was a court date I had been waiting for months. I hoped I could finally speak with a judge, that I love my child above everything and want to do everything better from now on. I wanted to say that I don't give up, that I am here, and finally, after this long time, to tell my side. But before I could say anything, the Youth Welfare Office spoke.
The mother was in the group Child Removal AT and shared personal data there, Mr. Judge.
A lie, a deliberate defamation.
I have done nothing illegal. I exchanged information with other affected individuals in a WhatsApp group for those affected. I opened up in a protected space and did not share any data. I only sought help and emotional support.
But exactly that is now being accused of her, my dear ones. Not because she really did it, or because it would be a problem, but because it unsettles her. Because it shames her. Because it forces her directly into a defensive stance.
They brought me to court like a criminal. I did not get a chance to speak in court.
They criminalize seeking help. They pathologize grief, they criticize humanity, and they force you to be silent.
I am not a danger. I am a mother. And anyone who, as a mother seeking protection after such an experience, portrays it as a risk abuses their power. Now I understand it only now. They don't even listen to me. I am not the problem. You are.
We therefore conclude that the mother has clearly violated her duty of care by publicly commenting on the proceedings in an affected persons group. This kind of uncontrolled self-presentation clearly shows that she cannot bear the responsibility for a child. We therefore strongly recommend not to expand contacts and to keep custody with the authorities. This is in the best interest of the child's welfare.
Sexy, outfit social worker colleague woman. Therefore the judgment is made. The application of the Youth Welfare Office is granted. The mother is obviously incapable. Custody withdrawal. Hearing concluded. Ms. Social Worker, I see you in the back for the debriefing.
Now you all probably think this is a joke that Corinna Breuer and the Child Removal Association are allowed to play with you. No. Unfortunately not. This example belongs to a real, genuine, and current case. This is lived reality for so many of us, my dear ones. The sexy outfit of the social worker was no joke, nor was the debriefing afterward. While mothers tremble, worry, and cannot be satisfied for years, judges are often only interested in their own happiness for the next few minutes. They want their lunch break and want to earn well with little effort, and they aim to impress with attractive social workers who appear in court with barely anything on. The mother was almost completely overlooked. Does it serve the child's welfare that the judge agrees with the sexiest woman in the courtroom? And a mother, because she is very ill with worry for her child and does not even listen, is not even heard?
A mother seeking protection among like-minded people. A social worker who not only comes with fabricated charges, but also provocative attire. A judge who only has his own desires in mind. Somewhere, there is still a child who would very much like to experience his mother's love firsthand, but neither mother nor child was ever questioned. Austria, Naomi, true story, change name.